Hello, I am in Sweden and I'm watching live FPV from Canada on Scott's traxxas summit. I'm watching by Skype and he's out driving outside his house. It's very funny.
Oh, here's a good one, right onto the road.
Yeah.
Look both ways before you see that wheel way out there.
Yeah.
So I don't get run over. But you can see I have way better range now.
Yeah.
You were right, it was the servo. Okay, now do some rock climbing, ice climbing. Wow, that was pretty steep, actually. Can you still see the videos?
Yeah, it's a little bit choppy, but it's very watchable.
It'll do a jump. Can you see now?
Yeah, bike.
Reconnaissance. Wait, look in the window.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it blinking.
That's me. Can you see?
Yeah, hello.
Okay, it's about. I get about an hour out of this truck. But yeah, I don't know if it's fast enough to frame rate on the Skype, but you can actually see when I land the suspension compress.
No, it's a little bit choppy for that, I think.
Oh, whoa.
I almost hit a tree.
I've hit it before. What is this? Did you see it got stuck on my tire?
It's a piece of tape or something. It's like a hamburger box or something.
Added traction.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now.
Sure.
Yeah, say goodbye to Sweden.
Goodbye.